Hey there, Becca here from Inside the Square, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to use just a little bit of custom CSS to add text before and after the price in a product block. So you can take a product block that looks like this and make it look like this. Pretty cool, right? Now the code is listed in the description below, but I've got a couple of different nuances that I want to teach you so you can isolate an individual block or install it on an individual page. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so we can get started. So here we are in my demo site, and I do want to mention we're talking specifically about the product content block, but this code will also change an online storefront as well as an individual product page. So we're going to add this to our custom CSS, and then we're going to use the block ID to make sure it only changes this block and doesn't affect anything else on the site. Okay? I'll walk you through this step by step. So here's the code that's listed in the description beneath the video. I'm going to copy this on my keyboard here and just select Design, and then Custom CSS. This is where we're going to paste the code. Now, you'll see immediately it updates and says available now for only, then shows the product price, and then an exclamation point afterward. This part right here is the text before the price, and you can make this say anything you want. Now, after that, I've added the exclamation point here, and I want to point this out in the code because it's kind of interesting. You'll notice this first one says product price before, and the second one says sqs-money-native after. Now, what's the difference there? We can't say sqs-money-native before because that changes this symbol. Here, it's a $sign because I'm located in America, but whatever the browser setting is for that particular currency is going to be that symbol, and that's sqs-money-native before. So we have to label it before the entire price using this code here. Just a little fact there that I thought was pretty interesting. All right, now how do we target just this block? I'm going to click this Chrome extension that I use. Not affiliated with them, it's just one I use in my own work. I'm going to copy that block ID, and I'll turn off the extension, and I'll place that at the very front of this code, and then place that right there. And now this code will only be applied to this individual block of content. So that's the block ID followed by product price before, then the text that you want it to say before, and then the block ID followed by sqs-money-native after, and then the text that you want to show up after the product price. You can also add anything you want here as well. Maybe say for 1 day only. There we go. Whatever text you'd like to add, just add it before that final quotation mark right there, and you'll be good to go. However you style this, select Save when you're done. And if you want to apply this to an individual page and not site-wide, here's how we do that. I'm going to remove that whole chunk of code and select Save so it's gone. And let's hop over to our Pages menu. And for this individual page, I'm going to click this gear icon right here. Now, quick pro tip, this is specifically for those using a business and commerce plan. If you're using a personal plan, this won't work. But if you have business or commerce, hop into advanced and type in the word style between 2 carets like that. That's telling the browser, I'm about to give you CSS code right here. Then we'll paste the code and select Save. Squarespace will reload our page. And now that content is there on just this page, not site-wide CSS. So my online store won't be affected and an individual product page won't be affected. Just this block on just this page. Okay? So that's the gear icon right here, advanced, and make sure you use these style brackets because you can have more than one type of code in the page header. I want to make sure the browser knows I'm giving you a style code, and that's where I've pasted the code right there. Again, if I use this block ID, only that block will change, but if I don't want to load this code on every single page of my site, I can add it to the page header code injection of just the page that block is on. Alrighty, that's it for this tutorial, and again, a link to that Chrome extension to identify the unique block is listed in the description below, along with the code that I shared. Just make sure you update that text so it matches what you want to see on your own Squarespace website. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a like and a comment if you enjoyed this video, and definitely subscribe to my channel because I post a brand new tutorial every single week and I want to make sure you catch the latest. Now stick around, I have a few other tutorials that I think you're going to love coming up next.